Hey guys, after languishing for many days between 35,400 and 36,700, Bank Nifty has finally given us a breakout today. It's trading above resistance of 36,500, at present 37,023. These red lines, by the way, are resistances emanating from the 15th February high, which was around 38,200. So, so our next target for Bank Nifty is around 37,650. Maybe a little bit above that, 37, maybe even 700. So congratulations for those who've been holding on to long position in Bank Nifty. We are going even higher next week. Okay. I'll repeat the target now for Bank Nifty is 37 650 to 37 700 for next week. Good luck.